Hello there, my name is Dismas and welcome to Top Channel 101. As you know, I'm all about making money online, and today I decided to share my earnings with you guys, which is something I'll never do. But what I can do for you is share information about my earnings, especially YouTube earnings this month and maybe the previous month until since this channel was monetized. So I have a few channels. Some are monetized, some are not monetized. But yeah, I want to show earnings for this particular channel, and I think this should give you an idea of how much a YouTuber my size, around 3,700 subscribers, makes. And if you want to join into this, you can know what to expect, and maybe I'll be sharing a few tricks and tips. And yeah, so I've already done a YouTube showing my earnings on CG Trader, how much I make on that site. And if you are a YouTuber, if you are an artist, a 3D artist who want to dive into selling 3D models, you can look at that and see how much I made there, and what you can expect, because I also give a few tips and tricks to get you started. So let's look at YouTube and go through the earnings and look at the analytics and see what you can pick up, and maybe see what can work for you. And yeah, so let's dive in. Let's go to YouTube's studio here. Hopefully I don't show any information that I'm not supposed to. So yeah, this is the dashboard. You just need to give it a little few seconds. And yeah, so you can already see that my earnings are not this month, because this month has not completed, but for the previous 28 days is $87. But it's showing $87, but it's not exactly 87. It's more than that, because what? Yeah, because some earnings have not been tiled up. They have not been added to the total earnings. I'll show you that in what I mean in a few seconds. But you can look at that. You can pause the video for a second and examine that and yeah, see what you want to see. Because I'm not sure what you want to see. But so don't worry about the view duration here, because this video is about I think 17 seconds. So the average view duration is down, but it's so much. Let me show you, because I think I need to explain why that is too low. Yeah, so this is the video, and I think it's about 17 seconds. So you always want to strive for a higher view duration if you want to get better monetization and more, how is it called, your channel to be pushed more. But this video is getting a low average duration, and lower than what the video that was here before, the previous 10 videos, because it's also a very short video. So yeah, let's go. I think for this page there is nothing more that interesting. So let's dive into the analytics and look at the numbers there. So again, the reason I'm showing this is that I know a lot of people want to be YouTubers, and those who have not earned monetization, or those who have not grown to my size. I'm not big at all. I'm not claiming to be any size, but I'm saying what I'm trying to do is share some information, because as I was trying to enter this YouTube space, it was really very hard to get to know the numbers. Most people who were sharing the numbers were really big YouTubers, around 100k subscribers, and you couldn't get any information about YouTubers around the size you could picture yourself in a few months or two or something. But so this is why I'm doing this. So yep. So if we look at the revenue earnings, so you can see it's 87, but some of the numbers here have not. I think about 2 days or 1 day here has not been added to the total here. So that's why you see these patterns here. They indicate that the revenue there has not been added to the total revenue that you have earned in the previous month. So you can see my subscriber growth, and you see everything seems to be low, seems to be down. But that's let me just show you the previous 90 days, just to show you what I mean. You can see, though it is showing that it's a bit low. If we look at the 28 days, if you look at the entire 60 days, you can see that it averages, it's almost consistent. So even the watch time, so it's always fluctuating like that. And yeah, so Another thing I want to talk about is that your earnings are not. There is a correlation between your views and your earnings. And if you look at my views here, the problem is that there is no way for me to put the two graphs on top of each other side by side, but you would see that there's a correlation between my earnings and my views. So the more views you get, the more likely the more views you get, the more chances your videos will be monetized, and then the more revenue you're likely going to get. So because YouTube doesn't pay for views, for how many views you get, but it pays for monetization, for impressions, how many times your videos have been monetized. That means that how many times a video has had ads showed on it. That means that video ads that and then skippable and then skippable ads, and even banners that you normally see on the side or just floating above the video. So every time a banner is served or a video ad is served on your YouTube, is counted as an impression, and for every 1,000 impressions, there's a certain amount of money dollars that is given to you, and there are a lot of variables that affect that, but and I don't think I'm allowed to show that data, so I don't even think I have that data either. So, but yeah, just know that there's a correlation between the number of views you get and the earnings you get as your revenue, and the more views you get, the better. So let's look at what else can we look at? What can I say? Yes, let me go to earn revenue. So here you can see my CPM, which is, I think, cost per impressions. That the cost of serving 1,000 ads on your YouTube channel. And mine is a bit low compared to other big YouTubers, so it's about $8. But and my estimated revenue, you have already seen that, and there is also data processing here, so it hasn't been tallied up to the total amount. And you can see how much I've made the previous from December. I think yeah, my channel was monetized here in December. You can see if I click more here, I don't think there will be more. Let me not show that because I'm not sure. There's some information you're not allowed to show, so I won't be clicking every link I see here, so because I'm not even sure what information I'm not supposed to show. The reason I'm showing this because I've seen people show this. So yeah, yeah, those, you can pause the video and look at that. What else should I show here? Yeah, so you can also look at the estimated monetized playbacks. This is the number of times ads have been served on your videos, and yeah, so I think it's going up. It's not really, is it? Yeah, so you see some areas where you don't have information there. It's usually because the data that was there was lost somehow, but there is always data. So because ads have been served, and you can see how much I've earned in the previous 90 days. So it's roughly $100 a month, but and if you are a YouTuber with more subscribers than I do, and but less money you're making, so because I have this plugin called, how is it called? Let me find it. TubeBuddy. It shows you a comparison of different channels that you yeah, it just compares different channels with yours, and shows you their numbers with yours, not the monetization part, but viewership and subscriber count and everything. It gives you I've been comparing my channel to other channels to see how their growth is, and what I've seen is that a lot of channels with even more subscribers than I have, even 10,000 channels with 10,000 subscribers have get less money than I make, because as you can see, I push out a lot of content, almost 5 videos a day, sometimes 5 videos a day, sometimes less, but I make sure to upload at least once a day, and that really has an effect on how much you make, because that is, you're giving YouTube more opportunity to monetize on your videos, because the more videos you add, the more subscribers. Sorry, the more monetization chances you get. And maybe just to show you this even better is if I what can I show you? What am I wanted to show you? Yeah, so if we go to, is it analytics? You can see in the real-time activity, the top viewed YouTube channels, top viewed videos are my recent videos. So YouTube usually pushes videos that you have uploaded recently more than videos that you have uploaded previously. So yeah, you can see this indirect lighting, and then modeling a beer glass, and yeah, so you can see all these 4 videos except this one, because this one I uploaded this I think a year ago, but it's still getting more popular and popular. But so you can see that my top 10 most viewed videos in the last 48 days are my most recent videos. So you can see this here, indirect lighting test, is the first one here, and again everything follows. So the beer glass, beer wheat, and then lighting test, which this one, yeah. So I think that's all the information I can show. But so if you found this useful, you can leave a like, subscribe, because I'll be making more of these later. So yeah, thank you.